Is this a portrait of Anne Boleyn? This is called the Summerlee portrait. This portrait is in the collection of the Earl of Normanton, thought to have been created in the early 16th century, which does put it in the correct time frame of Anne Boleyn. And we see the sitter depicted with French hood, of which we know she was fond of, and this beautiful leopard fur, of which clues us in that this was a member of the monarchy or the nobility. Another such clue is the black garments. Black was an incredibly expensive color to create. We also see the sitter holding what appears to be likely a book of hours. But let's take a little closer look at Anne's portraiture to determine if this is Anne or if this is someone else. Here is a posthumous image of Queen Anne Boleyn, and another, and this hideous rendition. And the John Hoskins miniature, which, as we know, on the back of this portrait is written that it was created based on an ancient original. What do all of those portraits have in common that this one doesn't? The cleft chin. We see here a woman with a cleft chin with a pointed nose, wide set eyes, and a fairly large forehead. Now take a look at Queen Claude of France, a woman, a queen in which Anne served beneath. The cleft chin, the pointed nose, the wide set eyes. Once again, Queen Claude, the cleft chin, the pointed nose, and the wide set eyes. Here is another rendition of Queen Claude. Again, we see the cleft chin, the wide set eyes, although the nose is a little different this time. Could this be a portrait of Francis I's first wife, Queen Claude? It would fit in the timeline. She cannot possibly be Anne Boleyn. Just likely a portrait of Queen Claude. Isn't she beautiful?